CNC multi-head drilling and milling machine. Punching effect display. This CNC multi-head drilling machine is a high-tech new quality production equipment designed and manufactured specifically for the waterproof technology industry and the drilling field of geotechnical building materials and pipes. 10 workstations for simultaneous processing. This machine is equipped with a 4-jaw chuck, which can automatically clamp pipes for rotary circular drilling and milling processing. It can be adjusted by CNC at any angle and drill multiple rows of holes by rotating. The CNC machine can adjust the rotation angle of the pipe arbitrarily, and through 10 sets of drill shaft heads, it can automatically offset left and right, achieving the advantageous function of drilling inclined cross-plumb blossom-shaped holes on the circumferential surface of the spiral corrugated pipe. After processing is completed, the power head automatically returns to the starting position, and the 4-jaw chuck fixture is automatically released. This machine has multiple processing functions such as drilling, tapping, chamfering, milling, and slotting. Can be used for ABS pipe drilling and milling groove. Drill large holes in PE pipes. PP pipe countersunk chamfer. Automatic rotation of pipes to create multiple rows of holes. This machine can clamp pipes with a diameter of 25 mm for processing, with a wide processing range, such as 110 mm large aperture and 20 mm thick pipe diameter. Widely used in industries such as wind turbines, power grid renovation, agricultural irrigation of fiberglass products, automotive parts, aviation manufacturing, building water supply and drainage engineering, plastic steel products, environmental water treatment, and power facilities.